Nearly every company on the planet is reforming the way they run their offices, manage their documents, and process their data. There are three reasons for this. The first is economic. Most companies simply cannot afford the financial burden of changing technology, which is a paradox because, in reality, they can't compete without it. The second reason is cultural. The millennials who are entering the workforce in droves are changing the future office. These folks who love technology are demanding a virtual work environment, mobility, telecommuting, tablet computing, anytime, anywhere internet connections, instant document access, collaborative systems, and multifunction devices, all of which allow them to do their jobs during non-traditional work hours. The third is security. The minute anything hits the internet, your business is at risk. Scores of intellectual property can be lost to the hackers. In fact, today's inadequate disaster recovery plans are being redefined as we speak. And most small companies don't even have a plan, which is unthinkable. So as business leaders, what are we going to do? How do we design an affordable technology roadmap that is current and safe in light of the fact that we can barely anticipate what technology will look like next month? The problem is companies today are trying to meet the future by doing what they did in the past. They have been distracted by technology, not supported by it. Their business models are being marginalized and their budgets broken by the promise of technology. What they really need to do is outsource these requirements so they can get back to their core competency and reclaim their customer and focus their energy on what makes them great. This is precisely where Meridian fits in. We remove the burden of technology and return you to your customer. Many companies are unaware of what we can offer them. A flexible, affordable, outsourced future office, delivered today. Perhaps a term more familiar to you is outsourced managed services. So, you might be asking, how did Meridian get here? And why are we investing in this future office? Before we look forward, let's look back. Meridian entered the office market in the mid-'80s, selling and servicing fax machines, which at the time was a miracle. Instant documents forever changing the way we do business. Because of our success in this new paradigm, the manufacturer began courting us to sell and service their copiers, which was a natural extension. So, we became a copier company, and soon after, a document management company. The result? Customers, and lots of them. Today, we are one of the largest office technology dealers in Washington and the surrounding area, serving over 3,000 commercial customers, large and small, in every major industry under the sun. And being a woman-owned ESOP, we have become a strategic supplier for the government, education, and medical markets with our own GSA buying schedules. In short, we have built an elite sales and service organization with over 100 professionals dedicated to helping our customers reach their full potential. And we measure our success by the sum total of yours. So what is this future office? How should companies manage their documents and intellectual property? Define a technology roadmap. Why are companies outsourcing their IT infrastructure? In fact, Gartner predicts that 7 out of 10 small businesses will outsource their IT requirements. Your organization, like ours, sells and delivers a product or service through a series of integrated business processes, all designed to create significant value. To do your job, you need people, software, hardware, servers, internet connectivity, printers, drivers, MFPs, PCs, tablets, smartphones, fax machines, and I could go on. All of this technology is configured, hopefully, to create speed, support business goals, and deliver results. As your business changes, so must your processes. In the past, you installed legacy systems, prepackaged software designed around best practices. What followed were bloated IT departments and consulting companies who were hired to straighten out the mess. Ultimately, legacy systems gave way to the internet, and the PC was born, spawning client-server computing and open architecture. And today, we have the cloud, a remarkable paradigm shift connecting smartphones, instant downloadable apps, intelligent tablets, collaborative devices, Wi-Fi everywhere, easy integration, and a whole new set of opportunities and challenges. So, given these massive changes, we decided once again to reinvent Meridian to become your preferred technology partner. We have watched the market, listened to our customers, invested wisely, and have acquired the knowledge to support and leverage your technology so you can get back to your business. Our future office today is a configurable suite of outsourced applications, infrastructure design, strategic advice, and professional services that delivers competitive advantage through technology. These offerings are designed to radically reduce cost, keep you in the IT fast lane, and redeploy your resources to support your business model as opposed to fighting the technology war. So here it is, Meridian's future office. Whether it's mobility, telecommuting, website management, or cloud services, we have you covered. Let's begin with the foundation, our network and remote monitoring system. Here in Alexandria, in our state-of-the-art Network Operations Center, we have the ability to proactively monitor your network activities and detect and resolve problems, often before you ever know about them. And let's not forget security. We provide protection for all of your sensitive data records and intellectual property. Next, we can easily onboard other applications like hosting and managing your email or your website. We offer instant storage and redundant backup of critical data and disaster recovery planning, which goes hand in hand with security. All of these services are backed by competent help desk professionals with 24/7 coverage, 365 days per year. In subsequent phases, we can add telepresence, surveillance, voice networking, and digital signage. Nearly all of our customers need managed print services designed to optimize your print fleet, speed up document storage and retrieval, reduce supplies, and maximize uptime at a significant savings. Many of you will need software as a service, ensuring that you are always running the most current versions, patched and ready to go, or a hardware strategy that delivers a refresh every few years with a predictable budget. Smaller companies can't afford a CIO, but they need the same guidance. So our virtual CIO program delivers best-of-class IT planning where you can share this cost with others. And finally, we have a menu of professional services like business analysts, project managers, application developers, systems integrators, tablet designers, and other internal IT requirements, all delivered at an affordable price. This is the future office, delivered today. This is the foundation you can build your business on. This is the new Meridian, and we would like to talk with you.